How does sleep affect your eyes? Lack of sleep mimics the effects of alcohol on the body and mind. Studies suggest this is less than ideal, prompting the question, how does sleep deprivation specifically affect our eyes? What does lack of sleep do to eye health? Short-term sleep deprivation causes drowsiness, irritability, and concentration problems. It weakens the immune system, hampers weight loss, raises blood pressure, induces mood swings, triggers memory loss, and affects our eyes. Optimal eye function requires a minimum of 5 hours of sleep. Insufficient sleep can lead to eye strain, dry eyes, and twitches. Having eye issues? Call XL Laser Vision Institute at 866-923-9235 for a free consultation today.